Heya! Welcome back. In this video, I'll do my best to thoroughly explain how to download the Utao program for your computer. Before we download Utao, we need to prepare the computer to be able to use Utao correctly. My current Windows program may differ from yours, so try to imitate this with your settings. First, go to your language settings and download the Japanese keyboard. It'll take a bit, so just be patient. Once that's done, you should have a small symbol that looks like this. There should be an A next to it. To make sure you can use the Japanese keyboard, open a notepad, click it, and it will turn into the symbol for A in Japanese. After that, try to type anything. To go back to normal English, just click the square J symbol and then click English. After that, go to your region settings and click on Additional, Date, Time, and Regional Settings. After that, click on Region. Go to the Administrative tab and only change the system locale to Japanese, and don't check the Unicode box. After that, your computer will ask you to restart. Click Yes. After you've restarted, then we're going to go to the following site. This link is where we're going to download Utao. Click on the first link dated September 5th, 2013. This is the English version of Utao and also the latest version. Once it's downloaded, extract the files and open the Utao installer. If you can't export it, then I suggest looking for WinRAR, which will help you with that. Now the Utao installer will be in Japanese, but it's completely fine. Click on the option with the R next to it. This, as Yunari puts it, is probably the regular means of installing Utao, and that's it. Congratulations, you officially have Utao. In the next video, I'll try to explain how everything in Utao works and how to use USTs. Till then, see ya!